Hello again. This is Caesar, Cali Custom Alignment. We are replacing the cylinder head lifters, hydraulic lifters. We ended up taking the valve cover off. Right now, the procedure to removing the lifters is pretty interesting. We got all the old lifters still intact right there. We removed all the rocker arms. The way you do it is you come with pry bar and then you pry the rocker arm off very carefully. Right now this one is where we pry it off. Make sure that the lobe is opposite to the rocker arm like this. Once that's off, here's the rocker arm. It's got a little bit of wear. Nothing too bad, but it does have some wear. Here's the better look of the old rocker arms. I believe this one was this one. Let's get a better light here. Review the lifter. Rocker arm condition. They do have some wear, unfortunately. Really, that valve ticking that we're getting, this is a sign of it. But I believe the camshaft had wear on this one right here. Yeah, I can feel like a hot spot. This one's the most. This is the one that had the most sound here. Cylinder 4 exhaust side. Just gonna wipe them off. So it's got some wear on the rocker arms. Now that we got the camshaft all loose, I mean, this camshaft looks not too bad, but I did see this one. Yeah, see, this one has a lot more wear than most of the other lobes. So it's a tough one, it's a tough call. We're gonna pull the camshaft out and look at the cam bearings. Hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah, this is kind of where we're at. So, to be continued, and we'll go from there.